Starting a cleaning business can be a lucrative venture, but before you grab that mop and bucket, there are some important legal requirements you need to know about. What licenses do you need to start a cleaning business and operate legally? Let's break it down. First and foremost, you'll need a general business license. This is typically required by most cities and counties, regardless of the type of business you're starting. It ensures you're complying with local regulations and allows you to properly file and remit taxes. Next up is the DBA, or Doing Business as Registration. If you're operating under a name other than your personal name, you'll need to register this with your county or state. For example, if Jane Smith wants to call her business Spotless Cleaners, she'll need a DBA registration. Don't forget about the vendor's license. This allows you to collect sales tax from your clients, which is required in most states. You'll typically receive this when your DBA application is approved. Depending on your location and the specific services you offer, you might also need additional permits. These could include occupational licenses, especially if you're handling hazardous materials, or environmental and waste disposal permits if you're using certain cleaning chemicals. Now let's talk about insurance. While not always legally required, it's highly recommended to protect your business. General liability insurance covers property damage and bodily injury claims. If you have employees, workers' compensation insurance is usually mandatory. Many cleaning businesses also opt for janitorial bonds, which protect clients from employee theft. Keep in mind that regulations can vary significantly from state to state. For instance, California has strict environmental regulations for chemical disposal, while Texas doesn't require a special cleaning license beyond the general business license. It's crucial to check with your state's Secretary of State office or local small business administration to ensure you're fully compliant. To give your business a competitive edge, consider obtaining additional certifications. OSHA compliance training ensures safe practices when handling cleaning chemicals. The IICRC certification is valuable if you're offering carpet and upholstery cleaning. For eco-conscious businesses, a green cleaning certification can be a great marketing tool. Remember, operating without the proper licenses can result in hefty fines, legal issues, and even forced closure of your business. It might seem like a lot to manage, but getting these licenses and permits in order from the start will set your cleaning business up for long-term success. In summary, the key licenses you'll need are a general business license, DBA registration, and vendor's license. Don't forget about insurance, and be sure to check for any state-specific requirements. With these essentials in place, you'll be well on your way to building a thriving, legally compliant cleaning business.